Hello, my dear student, how are you? Today I will discuss SSC Physics Chapter 2 Motion. Today's topic is rest, motion, linear motion, circular motion, and transitional motion. Right? Let us go. Rest. What do you mean by rest? REST. What do you mean by rest? When 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 an object distant does not does not change its position with respect respect to the surrounding is called rest. For the simple example, T is rest. Rest is no change in their position. The object is rest. T is rest. Rest is no change in their position. Right? Motion. What do you mean by motion? Anybody change their position with respect to surrounding is called motion. Right? For simple example, the motion is an object moved from one place to another place. T is rest. Object T to object distance x. Motion is an object moved from one place to another place is motion, right? Is distance x prime. Distance x prime. Okay? Next topics. What do you mean by linear motion? What is linear motion? Linear motion. If anything, if anything, if anything moves along a straight line, then its motion is linear motion. Linear motion. For simple example, a man is walking along state road, right? A car is moving along a state road. This is linear motion. For another example, when a ball is released from above, it falls straight down, right? Ball straight down. This is linear motion. Okay. Next topic, circular motion. What do you mean by circular motion? What is circular motion? Circular motion. Motion of an object rotating by centering a point or a line is called circular motion. Circular motion or circular motion is movement. Circular motion is the movement of an object in a circular path. Right? For example, simple example, electric fan speed, rotation speed is called circular motion. Fan speed in circular motion. Okay. For another example, clockwise motion is a circular motion. 3, 6, 9. Clockwise motion is a circular motion. Okay. Next topic. What is the transitional motion? What is the transitional motion? What is the what is transitional motion? Transitional motion. Transitional motion. If any object, if if an object moves in such such a way that the particles that the particles of the object travel the same distance travel travel sorry T-R-A-B travel the same distance at the same time at the same time in the same direction, then its motion is called transitional motion. Transitional motion. Okay, thank you very much. Till we meet again, class.